Welcome back, everyone, as we head into the 4th of July weekend. Today, we're going to make a blueberry Moscow Mule. To start off, we're going to use 1 full ounce of blueberry syrup. Juicy. Tasty. Awfully, it's just stuck in there. It is what it is. Then 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice.
Yep. That is lime.
2 ounces of blueberry vodka, because, you know, all that syrup's not enough to do it.
Nope.
All right, and then we're going to add ice. And then we're going to top with ginger beer. Make sure you use a good ginger beer. There is such a thing as bad ginger beer. Just saying. And then we're going to give it a nice stir because obviously all of that syrup is going to be sitting right down at the bottom. We're going to incorporate all of that deliciousness. And of course, no cocktail is, I know, look how pretty it is. No cocktail is complete without le garnish. Normally, I would add some blueberries, maybe a little bit of mint to this guy. Your girl ain't got any. So, lime wedge it is. And there we have our blueberry Moscow Mule. Of course, I'm going to give it a taste. I'm going to let you know my honest opinion. I'm going to rate it as well. 1 is I would have 1 cocktail and move on. 5, I would drink it all night and hate myself in the morning. Let's see what we're going to do today. Interesting. I love me a good Moscow Mule. If it's made correctly, it is absolutely delicious. This guy is actually a little sweet for my taste, to be 100% honest with you. I can't imagine all that syrup. I know. I can't imagine what it could have been. It could have been the syrup. It is very good. You do get the blueberry flavor. I am a stickler about if you're going to call something blueberry or call something a specific flavor, it should taste like that. So it definitely hit the mark on that one. I just wish that the syrup wasn't quite as sweet and it was just more of the flavor of the blueberry rather than like the sweetness. It is very good. I still highly recommend. I think this is one that will go over very well at any of the 4th of July parties that you might be having. But because it's a little sweet for me, I'm going to have to give this one a 3.5 out of 5. Delicious cocktail. I still recommend give it a try at home because ingredients are going to be listed down below so you can build it as well. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys all have an awesome 4th of July weekend. Cheers.